Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to share with you my finished June UFO and the May UFO I finally got finished. And then we'll pick the UFO for July, and that is my unfinished quilt project I'm going to work on. I haven't, I've been I've kind of disappeared on YouTube this month, haven't really done anything. I've had a lot of other things going on, but for right now, here is my June. This was my June UFO, and this was a baby quilt. It was like one of my easiest ones. And it's a 38 by 50. I really like the way it turned out. And the back just has a pink fabric that I had in my stash. Something I also finished was this. This was my May UFO, this is Christmas fabric on here. And they were 6-inch strips that I had. So what I did is I cut my granny square blocks into 3-inch wide pieces. I do have a tutorial on my website, and I'll put the little string there. I'll put the link below, and that is made with 1.5-inch strips, but it'd be very easy for you to switch it to 3-inch. The quilt blocks are 10-inch finished, and then I did a 1-inch sashing. And the quilt is 46 by 56. So, and I just put a white premium muslin on the back. So I'm glad to have that done. It really turned out nice. And let me know if you would prefer to have me write up a pattern or something on how I made this with the 3-inch squares for the granny. Okay, now let's look and see what I've got to make this month. Okay, put this one away. That's number 9. We are all done with that. Number 1 is the Evening Star Table Topper by Melissa Gilbert, and this is a whole kit. So put that in here. Twinkles. This is 1/8 of a yard pieces of the Twinkles. This fabrics. I've had these for quite a while. They're very muted, subtle colors. I like it. Put that in there. The string applique blocks. That is these. These are with a batik background. And then I did like a free motion embroidery around them. They're beautiful blocks. I have another quilt that I made a long time ago with the same technique. Might even be the same blocks. I'll put a link for that down below. And I don't know, this is some more. I believe these are done. No, that's it. That's a batik also. So that is that. What did I do with it? Right there. Craftsy. This is a big quilt. This is 81 by 96. This is a big one. Ugh. That's only half of it. I've got it folded in half. So that would be a big quilt to make. I still haven't, my new long arm hasn't come yet, which I've kind of been okay. So then I got to learn how to use it. So throw that in there. Spools. I have a bunch of spools done. This would have been good for the July yellow color challenge. So I've got those blocks, and then I've also got, some other odd blocks and a wall hanging that I started a long time ago. Maybe I'll get that done if I get that one picked. So that is spools, number 2. And then number 8, I am getting down there. This is Lori Holt. This is all these blocks that I have. There are more. I doubt if I'm going to make more. Probably kind of work with what I've got. but that was for the vintage Christmas, which, oh, there. It's really neat quilt. 6-inch blocks. Okay, so throw these in here, move them around. Oh, what am I going to pick? Evening Star. Evening Star by Melissa Gilbert. Okay. And I really haven't even looked at it that much. So it's a 50 by 50 table topper. Very simple. You just have one giant block. And oh my goodness, this was part of an Advent box that I got last year, maybe. So I look forward to making this. I think this is going to be the border fabric. So that is going to be my project for July. Have you picked out a project? What are you going to be working on? Also, I just did my blog post on my color challenge for the month, and this month the color is yellow. So I made 2 churn dash blocks, and you can find the free PDF for this quilt block on my website. And then also these are the Morning Glory quilt blocks. I've got these done for from through January. This is only my 3rd month, so I'm gonna have to get working. I want to get the other ones finished too. So please stop over at my website and check out all the different things that I've got, and let me know what you're going to be working on. Thank you. And